Have you ever felt a sudden, unexplained chill in a warm room? Or perhaps you've seen the same bird appearing at your window day after day. Many people dismiss these moments as mere coincidences. But in the realm of African metaphysics, there is no such thing as a coincidence. There is only synchronicity. Right now, at this very moment, your ancestors may be reaching out across the veil to guide you, to protect you, to warn you. They are not gone. They have simply shifted form, and they are desperate to communicate. Are you listening? Stay tuned, because today we are decoding the 5 undeniable signs that your lineage is trying to speak to you. Welcome to Akashic Africa. Here, we bridge the gap between ancient wisdom and modern success. I'm your guide on this journey into the unseen. Throughout the continent's history, from the banks of the Nile to the vibrant communities of West Africa, the connection between the living and the ancestors has been the foundation of spiritual power. We believe that those who came before us are our greatest allies in our journey of self-development. By the end of this video, you will not only recognize the signs of their presence, but you will understand the metaphysical science behind how they communicate through the Akashic records of your own DNA. If you've been feeling stuck or searching, this message is specifically for you. The first and most common sign is through your dreams. In many African traditions, the dream state is considered a thin place, a dimension where the physical and spiritual worlds overlap. Have you been having vivid dreams of elders you've never met, or perhaps a deceased relative offering you a specific item or a single word? These are not just products of your subconscious. When your physical body sleeps, your spirit is free to traverse the Akashic field. Your ancestors often use this quiet time to bypass your analytical mind. Pay close attention to recurring symbols, a key, a specific animal, or even a particular color. Storytelling is the language of the spirit. For example, in Zulu culture, dreaming of water or certain fish can be a direct call to spiritual healing. If you are waking up with a lingering feeling of peace or urgency, your ancestors have just had a conversation with your soul. The second sign is the appearance of repeating numbers or glitches in your daily routine. Have you been seeing 1111? 222, or perhaps a sequence that relates to a significant date in your family history? Metaphysically, numbers are frequencies. Your ancestors can influence your environment to catch your attention through these patterns. You might find yourself checking the time at the exact same moment every day, or seeing the same name on billboards, books, and TV shows. This is their way of saying you are on the right path, or slow down and pay attention. It is a digital tap on the shoulder. Don't ignore it, acknowledge it. When you see a sign, stop for a second and ask internally, what was I just thinking about? The sign is often the answer to that thought. The third sign is through your physical senses, specifically smell and touch. Have you ever been sitting alone and suddenly smelled the distinct scent of a grandmother's cooking, a grandfather's tobacco, or a specific wildflower from your ancestral village? Because the ancestors exist in a higher vibrational state, they can manipulate the energy in a room to manifest these scents. Similarly, you might feel a sudden phantom touch on your shoulder, or a wave of warmth washing over you during a difficult moment. This is the spiritual warrior's embrace. In Kmetic science, this is understood as the ka, or life force, interacting with your physical aura. It is a motivational reminder that you are never truly alone in your struggles. The fourth sign involves the natural world. Our ancestors are deeply connected to the earth. Often, they will use animals or insects as messengers, a butterfly that lingers on your hand, a bird that follows you down the street, or even an unusual encounter with a larger animal, like a hawk or a fox. In many West African traditions, specific animals are seen as totems of certain lineages. If an animal behaves in a way that feels intentional, looking you directly in the eye, or appearing during a deep moment of contemplation, it is a sign. They are using the natural harmony of the world to bridge the gap to you. Nature doesn't lie. It only reflects the spiritual truth of the moment. Finally, the fifth and perhaps most powerful sign is the sudden knowing. This is when a thought or an idea pops into your head that feels like it didn't come from you. It's that gut feeling that tells you to take a different route home, or the sudden urge to call a family member you haven't spoken to in years. Seriously, this is your ancestors speaking through your intuition. They have a bird's-eye view of your life's blueprint, your Akashic record. They can see obstacles before you reach them. This inner knowing is the ultimate tool for self-development. When you learn to trust this voice, you are essentially allowing your ancestors to co-pilot your success. It is the wisdom of 1,000 generations distilled into a single second of clarity. I want to hear your stories in the comments below. Your experiences help build our community's collective wisdom. If this video resonated with you, please hit the like button and subscribe to Akashic Africa. We are building a tribe of spiritual seekers dedicated to growth. Also, if you are looking for a practical way to deepen this connection, check the link in the description for our Ancestral Connection Starter Kit. It includes a guide on how to set up your first altar and daily scripts to help you start these conversations with your lineage today. Remember, you are the walking manifestation of your ancestors' wildest dreams. You carry their strength in your blood and their wisdom in your soul. Walk with power, walk with purpose, and we will see you in the next video as we dive deeper into the mysteries of Kmetic science. Ashe.